A new roof is a very important investment. Despite the hefty price tag, investing in a quality roof can actually be a more affordable option in the long term. Indeed, the quality of your roof can have a significant impact on the lifetime cost, initial installation costs, and maintenance cost. While the urge to go with the cheapest option can be difficult to overcome, it is always advisable to consider the long-term implications of saving at the initial installation stage. Initial installation. The early costs of your roof are determined by the labor and material charges. Ideally, you will want to get a minimum of 3 estimates from local roofing contractors before you proceed with investing in a new roof. In addition, investing in a quality roof means you need to get the right solution for your home. Maintenance costs. All roofs are associated with maintenance costs. Especially in areas with a lot of inclement weather, there will be the need to fix leaks and replace materials on occasion during the lifetime of the roof. By investing in a quality roof, you can cut the maintenance costs significantly. A necessary expense. Roof replacement is a necessary expense for all homeowners at one time or another. Eventually, your roof will need at least minor repairs, but after 25 or so years you will have to accept the need for a new roof. By investing in quality at the get-go, you can actually save yourself money in the future. Even if a roofing contractor offers you an unbeatable price, you should take some time to ask yourself what sacrifices to quality must be made to save on installation. For more information, please call Amex Roofing at 604-985-1859 or visit us online at https://www.amexroofing.ca/.